Which of the following is used in beauty parlors for hair setting? Answer is option C, sulfur. When body is accelerated? Answer is option A, its speed may or may not change. Which disease is caused by a dog bite? Answer is option D, rabies. Satvahans minted their coins predominantly in? Answer is option C, lead. Where was the capital of Shivaji Maharaj? Answer is option A, Raigad. Which one among the following was demanded by the All India Depressed Classes Leaders Conference at Bombay in 1931? Answer is option B, separate electorates for untouchables. In the Indian Constitution, which article mentions about establishment of welfare state for the people? Answer is option A, Article 38. Economic justice as one of the objectives of the Indian Constitution has been provided in? Answer is option C, the preamble and the directive principles of state policy. When the running car stops suddenly, the passenger tend to lean forward because of? Answer is option B, inertia of motion. Which of the following produces more severe burns? Answer is option A, steam. Which one of the following is not an organic acid? Answer is option A, carbonic acid. Which one of the following is used as preservative? Answer is option C, both A and B, that are sodium benzoate, sodium chloride. Which of the following plants flower only once in their life? Answer is option A, monocarpic. Which day was declared as the Direct Action Day by the Muslim League? Answer is option B, 16th August 1946. Through which of the following countries does the equator not pass? Answer is option D, Thailand. A political party is recognized as a regional party if? Answer is option D, it gets 6% votes in the state either in Lok Sabha or the assembly election. Heat from the sun reaches the earth by blank. Answer is option C, radiation. Iodine can be separated from a mixture of iodine and potassium chloride by which of the following method? Answer is option A, sublimation. Plant which reproduces by means of spores instead of seeds is? Answer is option A, fern. Ghumura is a folk dance of blank. Answer is option B, Odisha. Lines that are drawn on the globe parallel to the equator are called? Answer is option A, latitudes. Mahatma Gandhi was elected as the President of the Indian National Congress in the annual session held at? Answer is option B, Belgaum. Which of the following astrologers and mathematicians belongs to the Gupta period? Answer is option D, all of the above, that are Brahmagupta, Aryabhatta, Varamihira. Which of the following features is formed due to tectonic forces? Answer is option B, Rift Valley. Hanging Valley is formed due to the action of. Answer is option D, glacier. Which of the following do plants require as micronutrients for their growth? Answer is option B, copper. On dropping a water drop on surface of oil, it will. Answer is option C, be of spherical shape. Which gland is called the master gland? Because it produces hormones that control the other glands and controls many functions of the body, including growth. Answer is option D, pituitary gland. Which gland is called emergency gland? Answer is option A, adrenal gland. Which of the following is not included in the directive principle of state policy of the Constitution of India? Answer is option C, right to information. For the enforcement of the fundamental rights, the Supreme Court and High Courts have the power to issue directions, orders, or blank. Answer is option D, writs. Which of the following is the best indicator of SO2 pollution? Answer is option B, lichen. Where is Brabourne Stadium is located? Answer is option A, Mumbai. The earth is nearest to the sun on. Answer is option A, 3rd January. What was the slogan adopted by Muslim League during Quit India movement? Answer is option C, divide and quit. Which of the following is found in tropical deciduous forest? Answer is option D, teak. The national income estimation in India is the responsibility of which of the following? Answer is option B, Central Statistical Organization. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with scheduled and tribal areas? Answer is option A, Part 10. Which of these rulers organized the 4th Buddhist Musical Association in Kashmir? Answer is option D, Kanishka. What is the meaning of midnight sun? Answer is option D, sunshine in Arctic and Antarctic Circle during summer season. Which one of the following is the cell organelle that is referred to as the suicide bag for containing enzymes, break down cell components, or even the whole cell? Answer is option C, lysosome. Lysosome is formed from which of the following cell organelles? Answer is option A, Golgi bodies. The red color of tomatoes is due to presence of. Answer is option D, carotenoids. How many biogeographical zones are there in India? Answer is option A, 10. Rajbari National Park is located in which of the following states? Answer is option C, Tripura. Which Buddhist text contains an account of the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka? Answer is option D, Mahavamsa. The Loyal Mohammedans of India was a newspaper by which of the following? Answer is option D, Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Who introduced Panchayati Raj in India? Answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following deserts has the highest gold deposits? Answer is option B, Kizilkum Desert. Which type of rock is sandstone? Answer is option A, sedimentary rock.